Alright guys, in this video we're gonna unbox the PlayStation 5 digital version, Fortnite version. Looks like this, and you're supposed to get some stuff in Fortnite, such as, I don't know, V-Bucks, a Lego guy, some shoes. So let's just see what comes with, what comes in the box. Right, so I got my trusty knife here. I'm just gonna unseal it like this, and let's open it up, see what it comes up with. Like I said, the box looks like this. Now I'm just gonna take it out of the entire box. Okay, so we are greeted with the PlayStation logo. We have it right here. I'm gonna throw this to the side. Okay, so now let's just open up the box itself, if I managed to figure out how it works. Okay, so we have this thing which we need to pull, and now we can open it. All right, so from here, if you open it like this, you need to pull out these things. So this is going to be the power cable. That's going to be a power cable which we need to use to power up our machine. This is a USB-C to USB-C, I believe, cable. Well, the cable isn't called I believe, but you know, HDMI cable. And what else do we have? We have whatever this is. I have no idea what this is. We're gonna figure it out later. It also comes with a controller, but it's gonna be your classic DualSense controller here. And it smells new, that's good. And now we should be ready for the console itself. Alright, so I was struggling, so I opened it both ways. We'll see which way is easier to get this stuff out. Looks like we have some instructions, so PS5 instructions. The manual got kind of squashed. This is not my fault, I swear, or the guarantee. Here we have, well, the info, and I'm just gonna look through it, see that I don't actually review anything. So basically how this is gonna work, you will get this card, all right? So it's gonna be your Fortnite card, and basically you can read through it. It's in different languages, so you have different languages here. And at the back of it, you are gonna have this scratch off thing. So you will need to scratch this off, and it's gonna give you a code. I will make a separate video on how you can redeem this code on the Epic Games website, and you can claim your rewards, but that's basically how you get the stuff that's shown here, such as the little Lego guy and the other rewards. Okay, so all that's left now is the console. So I'm gonna take this out, I'm gonna move this to the side, take out the carton box. Okay, so we have this box that looks like it can hold some eggs. Okay, we're gonna move both. Again, I will take care of it later. And this is gonna be the console. So big review before I drop it. Oh, I'm sorry about that. Oh wow, it looks like this. And that's it. That's a PlayStation. Thanks for watching, folks. I'll see you next time.